Welcome to Product Input Fields for WooCommerce plugin. Let's quickly walk through how to get started and make the most of your customization options. If you've already installed and activated the plugin, here's what you can do right away. Add custom fields to individual products. Use 19 plus field types. Apply conditional logic to show or hide fields. Add extra charges for specific customizations. Custom fields let you collect personalization details, like engraving text or a gift message. To enable this for your products, go to Settings, Product Input Fields. Under Per Product, enable Custom Input Fields and set the default number to 2. Click Save Changes. Open the product you want to customize. In the Product Input Fields meta box, enable fields for this product. For the first field, choose Text. Label it Engraving Text. Add a placeholder, mark it Required, and set max length to 20. Add a second field for gift wrap, choose Radio Button, and add options Yes or No. Click Save. Now preview your product page. On the jewelry product page, you'll see the engraving text box and the gift wrap option. Enter a sample engraving text and select Yes for gift wrap and add the product to your cart. You'll see both details carry through to the cart and checkout. You can also use conditional logic here, so extra fields appear only when customers select certain options. Let's add pricing to the gift wrap option. Set field type to radio. Title it, Would you like gift wrap? And make it required. Under pricing options, choose Yes equals $5 and No equals $0. Click Save. Now, selecting Yes on the product page adds $5 and updates automatically in the cart. And if they select No, no extra charges applied. You're all set. Explore the plugin anytime to create personalized shopping experiences with custom input fields. Need help? Our documentation and friendly support team are just a click away. Thanks for choosing Product Input Fields for WooCommerce plugin.